I got a fish. Smallmouth. Finally got one nice little, probably 13-inch smallmouth. It's on a little tube. About a 13-incher or so. There we go. On the spook. The smallmouth. Nice little smallmouth on the spook here. Dark colors in the smallmouth. Nice little 11-12 incher. Second fish of the day. It's been a slow bite today, but that second one. Holy crap. Oh, that was a pike. There's one. Oh, a spinnerbait. He's not that big, but there's a bigger one that flopped over there too. He's just a little guy. There we go. That's a good fish. Nice fish on Texas Rigged Senko. Oh yeah, it's a nice fish. It's on a weightless Texas Rigged Senko. "19 inches. Away. 3.23. 3.23 pounds. Nice fish. Got him. He's just a little guy, I think. Not real big on the spook. little about 11 inches, so. Oh crap. Got him. Oh, he broke me off, dang. Lost my buzzbait, that was a big pike. Jumped completely out of the water.